Why is art history important?
I think that it provides a greater scope of context for any genre or medium of art.
Mm-hmm.
And so to make it in a vacuum and choosing to be ignorant of the layers on which an art form was built on is like a rocky foundation to start. And if you know a lot about the art medium or the art practice, you'll create a stronger body of work.
What's your favorite art history fact?
Oh.
These are real questions.
Putting me on the spot. All right, Dorian, why is art history important?
In terms of context for future decisions, if we don't understand what people have done or where art has been in history, we don't know where we can actually elevate it to.
Seeing how past artists and past historical prominent figures have broken the mold can provide examples for how current working artists can bust down barriers and build something new and know that they don't have to just play by the rules or make things in the norm, which I think is pretty cool.
Definitely.